Bienvenida a Bandega Mystico conmigo Rehna. That's how we say welcome to Mystical Platter with me Rehnaz in Spanish. And I'm here with a delicious sweet recipe from the north of Spain called leche frita or fried milk. It's a super easy recipe which can be made with very few ingredients which you always have in your kitchen. You just need to boil, freeze, dip, coat and fry. So let's get started. For this we need 2 cinnamon sticks and rind of 1 lemon, 1 cup of powdered sugar and half cup of corn flour. The main ingredient is milk. I have taken half liter milk here which is 3 cups, so add 2.5 cups of milk for boiling and keep half cup aside. We will use it later. Now boil the milk with the rind and cinnamon sticks. Add powdered sugar and stir well and let the milk boil for some time. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove the rind and the cinnamon sticks and simmer the flame. Now to the milk kept aside, add the corn flour and mix it well so that the corn flour dissolves completely in the milk. Now add the corn flour to the milk and keep stirring it continuously till you get a very thick consistency and switch off the flame. Grease a baking tray and then transfer the mixture to the tray and cover it and refrigerate it for around 3 hours or more so that it sets well. Here it is all set after 5 hours. Or just run a knife around the edges and remove it onto a plate, and then you need to cut it evenly into equal pieces. Depending on your choice, you can cut it into big or small pieces. This pudding itself is so soft and delicious that you can eat it just like that. Next we need to coat each piece first with all-purpose flour and then with egg. So let's take one piece, dip it well in the all-purpose flour, cover it on all the sides and then you need to dip it in the beaten egg. Cover it well. Simultaneously heat oil in a pan for frying and shallow fry each piece evenly on all the sides till it's golden brown. You can see all the sides are golden brown in color. Now let's remove it onto a plate. To give the final touch, just mix 1 spoon of cinnamon powder to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Coat each piece of the fried milk evenly on all the sides and cover it well. This gives a wonderful flavor to your fried milk. This looks beautiful and it's very tasty. And it's also something different that can be served as a dessert for your family or your friends. It's super soft inside with a little crunchy texture outside. Just like jamuns or jalebi, leche frita tastes yum when served with ice cream. As the saying goes, the way to man's heart is through his stomach. You can win many hearts with this yummicious leche frita. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please leave your valuable feedbacks in the comment box below. And until my next video, por favor, cuídate. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.